How NIOS board helps 10th fail students to pass 10th in the same year. NIOS is a well-recognized and accredited board that provides a second chance to students who could not pass the 10th exam on the first attempt. NIOS offers an open schooling system that enables students to complete their schooling through flexible and distance learning modes. Features of the NIOS program: globally recognized certification, subject selection, examination on demand, curriculum updates, skill-based learning. Times College offers NIOS admissions in Dubai and Abu Dhabi for 10th grade failed students. Our professors will help you practice the previous year's question papers, focus on your weak areas and try to improve them. Times Colleges constantly assess students' performance to ensure they learn and attempt the NIOS 10th board exam with confidence. More info. Our branches: Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Abu Dhabi, Al Ain. timescollege.a. Call us on 0544050966, 0552269076.